You're welcome to today's class. In the previous class, we were able to look into the introduction to trigonometry, where we're able to talk about sine, about cos, and tan theta. And we're able to lay the foundation of the comparison between having a shape that looks like this. Then you have your angle theta, and over here you have your angle 90° minus theta. We're able to find the sine, the cos, and the tangent of both theta and also 90° minus cot theta, and we're able to lay some foundations. So with this, I would also want to explain the advanced parts of the basic trigonometry ratios that we have. At first, we have our sine theta, which we know is our what? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. And then we have our cos theta, which is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. And then we have the last one, which is tan theta, which is tan theta, which is what? Opposite over what? Adjacent. Okay, very good. So how about we look into the advanced parts of our trigonometry, the basic trigonometry ratios that we have. Now we'll realize that we have what we call our sec theta. Or let's start with, yes, sec theta. We have sec theta. We have cosec theta, and we have tan theta. We have cot theta. Cot theta, which is the last part. Cot theta. Our cot theta is the same thing as the inverse of our tan theta, of which this can also be written as cos theta over what? Tan theta, over sine theta, brother. Over sine theta. Because we know that our tan theta is what? Our tan theta is sine theta over what? Cos theta. So having the inverse of this tan theta in this case, which is sine theta over cos theta, that means if you do 1 over sine theta over cos theta, we are going to have what we have here, which is what? Cos theta over what? Sine theta. So how about our sec? Sec theta is the same thing as 1 over what? Cos theta. And our cosec theta is the same thing as what? 1 over what? Sine theta. So having known this, these are the basic fundamentals of the trigonometry ratios that we have, which we are going to be working with in our next class. We are going to be working with that in our next class. Let's stop here for today. Thank you very much.